Welcome to Finance Fusions. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest financial milestones: how to make your first $100,000. Whether you're just starting out, working a 9 to 5, or side hustling, reaching that first $100,000 is a game changer for your financial future. In this video, we'll break down step-by-step advice to help you reach this goal. We'll cover everything from budgeting, saving, investing, and increasing your income. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your financial journey. Part 1. Mindset shift. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about mindset. Making your first $100,000 isn't just about the money, it's about changing how you think about money. The way you approach savings, spending, and earning is critical. Start by adopting a long-term perspective. $100,000 won't come overnight, but if you're consistent, it will happen faster than you think. You need to commit to financial discipline, delayed gratification, and making smart money decisions. This means prioritizing saving over spending, learning to live below your means, and seeing every dollar as an opportunity for growth. With the right mindset, the $100,000 goal will seem achievable and within your reach. Part 2. Tracking your income and expenses now. Let's start with the basics: knowing where your money is going. You can't reach $100,000 without having a clear understanding of your income and expenses. Begin by tracking every single dollar that comes in and goes out. There are plenty of budgeting apps that can help you with this, like Mint or YNAB. Start by listing all your sources of income: your salary, side hustles, freelance work, or passive income. Next, write down your monthly expenses. Separate them into needs like rent, utilities, and groceries, and wants like dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment. Once you see the full picture, you'll likely find areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can make a big difference. For example, cutting back on a daily $5 coffee habit saves you $150 a month, which could be directed towards savings or investments. Part 3. The power of saving. The next step to reaching your first $100,000 is saving. Saving is the foundation of wealth building. Start by aiming to save at least 20 to 30% of your income. If you're new to saving, start small and gradually increase your percentage over time. To make saving easier, automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings or investment account. This makes saving a habit, and you'll be less tempted to spend that money. Emergency funds should also be part of your plan. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This way, if any unexpected expenses arise, you won't need to dip into your long-term savings. But here's the key: don't just save money, invest it. We'll get into investing more in a moment, but remember that saving money alone won't get you to $100,000 as fast as investing will.
Part 4. Increase your income. While saving is important, increasing your income is a powerful way to accelerate your path to $100,000. There are two main ways to increase your income: growing your current income source or adding new ones. Start by maximizing your current job or business. If you're employed, focus on improving your skills and proving your value at work. This might lead to a raise or promotion. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary either. Studies show that people who negotiate their salaries tend to earn significantly more over their lifetime. If you have a side hustle or business, think about scaling it. Can you offer more services, charge higher rates, improve efficiency? There's always room to grow. In addition to boosting your main income, think about diversifying. This is where side hustles, freelance work, or passive income streams come in. Popular side hustles include freelance writing, tutoring, creating online courses, or even starting a small e-commerce business. The key is to find something you enjoy and can scale over time. The more sources of income you have, the faster you'll reach that $100,000 milestone. Plus, multiple income streams provide a safety net, so if one slows down, you'll still have others coming in. Part 5. Smart investing. Now, let's talk about investing. To truly grow your money, you need to invest it. When done wisely, investing can significantly speed up your journey to $100,000. There are several ways to invest: stocks, real estate, bonds, index funds, and more. If you're just starting out, I recommend looking into low-cost index funds. These funds pull together many different stocks, so your risk is spread out. Plus, they often have lower fees than actively managed funds. To get started, you don't need thousands of dollars. Many platforms allow you to start with as little as $100. The key is consistency. Keep investing over time and let the power of compounding work its magic. Compounding is when your investments earn returns, and those returns start earning returns. It's the snowball effect that can turn small amounts of money into large sums over time. If you're looking for something more hands-on, real estate can also be a great way to build wealth. You can start by investing in rental properties or even real estate investment trusts (REITs), which allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. The important thing is to stay consistent, contribute to your investments regularly, and take advantage of employer-matched retirement accounts, like a 401k, if available. This is essentially free money, so make sure you're not leaving it on the table.
Part 6. Reduce debt and interest payment. One of the biggest obstacles to hitting your first $100,000 is debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Interest payments can drain your wealth, making it harder to save and invest. To tackle debt, start by listing all your debts and their interest rates. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, as this will save you the most money in the long run. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method to stay organized. Once you've paid off your high-interest debt, avoid carrying any more. Make it a habit to pay off your credit card balance in full every month. By reducing your interest payments, you'll have more money available to save and invest, pushing you closer to your $100,000 goal. Keep your expenses low. It's not just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Keeping your expenses low is essential to building wealth. Start by cutting out unnecessary expenses. Look for subscription services you don't use, avoid impulse buying, and limit dining out. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can go toward your savings or investments. One major trap people fall into is lifestyle inflation, spending more as they make more. It's tempting to upgrade your car or move to a bigger house as your income increases, but resist the urge. The less you spend, the more you can save, invest, and grow your wealth. Part 8. Stay consistent and patient. Building wealth takes time. Reaching your first $100,000 in a sprint. It's a marathon, but with consistent saving, investing, and income growth, you'll get there. It's important to stay disciplined, avoid get-rich-quick schemes, and focus on long-term strategies that truly build wealth. There will be setbacks and temptations along the way, but keep your eyes on the prize. Track your progress regularly. Celebrate small wins along the way. Whether it's hitting a savings milestone or paying off a chunk of debt, these small victories will keep you motivated. To recap, making your first $100,000 requires a combination of smart saving, increasing your income, and investing wisely. Focus on adopting the right mindset, tracking your spending, and consistently investing in your future. Remember, the journey to $100,000 is just the beginning of building long-term wealth. Once you hit that milestone, your money will start working for you, and the next $100,000 will come even faster. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial tips and advice from Finance Fusions. Let's make financial freedom a reality together.